Hello everybody, this is Ed, and today we're checking out the Rex K2 Apex impact driver. Seller sent me this to check out, so let's go ahead and see what we got. Some of the specs on this product features a Voltipulse brushless motor, delivering up to 100 Newton meter of torque and 3,000 RPMs. Ultra compact with a 5.3 inch body, specifically designed for tight spaces. So what you get in the box, you get this nice bag here, storage case, and 12 impact bits covering your common sizes. Charging cable conveniently in this compartment right here. You have a quick start guide right here, instruction manual here. So this product is equipped with a dual intuitive screen that displays real-time battery levels, torque settings, and driver direction for error-free operation. Side display right here, as you can see, it's in lock position. Hold it down for 2 seconds. And this is the direction select here. On the back side, it offers 5 torque presets. So it's 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100 Newton meters of torque. Hit this button right here. You have auto assist self-stopping mode to prevent over tightening or material damage. And as you can see, you hit the side button right here. It also has an arrow right there to give you the direction of your driver. This driver is powered by a 3000 milliamp battery, capable of driving up to 210 M4 screws per charge. It supports universal USB-C fast charging for convenient power-ups. You have a convenient light at the front. Turn these lights off right here so you can see how bright this thing is. There you go. So the way the drill head works, so how to connect this, as you can see, pushes out. Go ahead and push out. And your bit locks in place. The trays are magnetic right here to stay in place. So in conclusion, this driver really punches above its weight, making it effortless to drive screws even through tougher materials. I've been testing it out and it really performs great. The compact size is a lifesaver for getting into those tight, awkward spaces. If you need a portable tool that still has plenty of power to get the job done right, this is definitely a solid pick.